how to log someone out of your Instagram. Now, the first thing to do is to tap on this profile icon right here, and then click on the three lines on the upper corner. Now, you just have to go to Account Center, and then scroll down and tap Password and Security. Now, you just have to click on where you're logged in, and then tap on your Instagram. Having someone else logged into your account is a big privacy risk. So all you have to do to log them out of your Instagram is to view the account login activity. Now you just have to scroll down and tap on a device that is logged into your account that you don't really recognize. For example, this one. You can just log them out of your Instagram by tapping this logout button, so that you will no longer be logged in on this selected device. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!